Guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on LENOVO Yoga Tab 3 Pro. So if you have a problem to find your Bluetooth gadget, always start from the simplest way, so switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. You have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated spire mode, and how to activate it you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's enough for your tablet. Let's open the settings and go to the... I'm not sure, so let's use the search bar and type the reset. Look for the network settings. Tap on the network settings reset and choose reset settings button. After that, tap on this button again and look for your device again on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to upgrade your system, so open the settings and go to the... Again, I'm not sure, so of course let's use the search bar, type the update and look for the system updates. Click on it. Check if you have any updates, install it and check for your device again. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.